Felicia said she is ready for war. Get loose, get loose, get loose, get loose. Oh, gotta protect my... Yes, Felicia said she is tired of being a pawn. Hit the like and subscribe as the intro plays. So Felicia had a lot to say after nominations, and we caught it on camera. We caught it on the feeds. Felicia is mad like Latifah. She has had it up to here. Okay, so back to Felicia being mad at these people. She's mad at them because it's like, this isn't an invisible HOH. This was an opportunity to make a big move, and you chose us?
But I'm gonna get my plate and go in the room and shut the hell up for the rest of the night.
What's that?
I said I'm gonna get my plate, go in the room and shut the hell up for the rest of the night.
Every time you open up your mouth, you give away your ignorance.
So I don't say nothing else that's stupid, because I'm pissed off right now. This was a wasted superpower. You cannot keep playing this game scared. This was a move that would have been made whether you had the superpower or not.
He who keep running thy lippers will get their lippers split with one of these.
This is probably the next move that was coming without the superpower. So you don't get a power that big and then do this.
Yeah.
So intuitively, Felicia's thinking that it has to, whoever won, it has to be either Jag, Matt, Corey, or America.
Tells me it's Jag. It could be Corey or America. America, I don't know which one, but it's one of those three. It's Jag, Corey, or America. For sure. America had a faster time than Corey if they were telling the truth.
Bingo! 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 Bingo!
Which means America. But I don't understand why they had it. Why they didn't put up Matt and Jag. But again, like what he said, because they don't want to show their hands, so they're still playing scared.
Girl, you know why.
If it's... But it doesn't make sense, though, because... So you use a superpower to go after me and you, and leave in Matt and Jag.
Okay, so what we found out is the HOH competition was the BB comics, where they're on a zip line. And so Cerise is afraid of heights, as well as it's a strength thing. You have to be able to make it across that zip line, you know, solving a BB comics as it's been in the past, at least. And so that's not to the advantage of these two older women. And obviously, since now we know that Blue and Felicia are on the block, those two didn't win. So they know that. So it could only be either, and we know Cerise didn't win, and we know that Bowie couldn't play. So it can only be either Jag, Matt, America, or Corey.
I think she's got it. I think she's got it.
Who has the secret HOH. So Felicia said, you know what? I'm just going to go in here and lay low and just be quiet because I don't want to create a bigger target on my back.
Sick of being a fucking pawn. I don't like that role. I ain't nobody's damn pawn. So this shit gotta stop. I need to win that veto and turn this shit around.
Mr. B, did I put too much snap in it?
I'm getting ready to do some shit this week. Yes, I am. They ain't willing to play, but I am. And if I win veto, I'm making a big ass move this week. I'm gonna jack their shit up. Just watch me. just gotta be quiet. Not say too much where I piss them off and they decide to vote my ass out, but
All I know how to do is be honest.
if I win that veto, I'm jacking their game up. Hear me when I say that. Faith of a mustard seed. Watch and see how this plays out. I ain't going home.
Oh, come on, Mr. B.
I'm going all the way to day 100. Walking out on finale as the winner of Big Brother. Yes, I am. I already saw the vision. I don't know how it's going to play out, but I do know all things are possible. And it's going to reveal itself. Day by day, week by week, till we get to day 100.
But is it too late for Felicia? I mean, as we know as viewers, Blue is the target. However, it is a dumb move that Jag nominated those two, unless his intention was really to backdoor Corey or America, preferably Corey. But it just seems like his target really is Blue.
For every dummy, there's a dummy.
And since he can't hold water, I think this really is his target, which is ridiculous. Like, get out a big target. Break up the showmans.
We gotta break up.
I mean, it's time. Like, what are you doing, Jag? I gave you some credit last video, but I'm taking it back. Jag is the dummy of the show. He thinks he's so smart. Just because you can talk in circles, Jag, and you can talk somebody's ear off, and you can wear people down, you have no idea how to play this game.
Since you got your degree and you know every fucking thing.
You really just don't know how to play this game. Get out the showmans. Break up the duo. Since you're in a duo, if this was Corey, I'd be saying break up the duo that is Matt and Jag. But this is Jag. Break up the duo. It's so dumb. It would be nice if I can't wait till this veto ceremony. But let's go to Blue. Blue has no clue. I mean, we are looking for Blue's clues. Like, somebody give her a clue.
Obviously, Matt and Jack are telling me things and they are conflicting, obviously. Now, at this point, I just gotta use my best judgment to figure out who I can trust and who I believe. I do think Matt and Jack are throwing me under the bus so they could be, they could cover their bases and so they can not be on the block together.
Right.
Because I think Corey in America has it. I really do. But I also believe that I will have a better working relationship with Matt and Jack over Corey in America after everything that's happened.
You ate that.
I think Corey in America has done me wrong a good amount of times, whereas Matt and Jack really haven't. So I am putting my trust in them, and just the way that our conversations feel, between me, Matt and Jack, and Bowie, I don't feel like it's superficial,
But wait, there's more.
with America especially, girl, I don't think she's a good liar. So like, all of this is feeling a little staged, and Corey doubling down, being like, oh, I don't know what America, and you talk about, like, be serious, I know that y'all be talking, so figure it out. So I'm kind of, yeah, I'm wondering how everything's gonna turn out.
I think she's got it. I think she's got it.
I hope if I really am the fall guy, then I just not end up on the block. I hope that both sides, both of them recognize that it is much better to just take a big swing and still have the other go home, rather than a safe plan with one weird pawn and one real target. Like, that's still gonna show your cards, so you might as well just fucking swing big and leave me out of it.
Because, you know, if we're playing the game like I used to play as a kid, although I still play it now as an adult. You know, when you're looking for something and somebody else knows, you're getting hot, you're warm. No, you're cold now. You cold now. It means you're far away from what you're looking for. Blue, you are cold. You have no clue. But Felicia has a clue. But Jag, why? What are you doing? Like, what are you really doing with your life, Jag? I'm not gonna make a joke because I know people will say you're so insensitive, but is the turban too tight, Jag? What are you doing? Get out, Corey or America. Hopefully he can backdoor. But Felicia has a plan and she is ready for war. Okay. She said she's gonna turn this game upside down.
Sure have. I ain't got time for this bullshit no more.
So let's see what Felicia does. Let's see if she can pull it off. But, you know, depending on what the veto is, I don't know. Felicia, your track record hasn't been that good. But at the same time, it's speculation that this veto competition could possibly save whoever's on the block. Who knows? Jag could end up on the block. Who knows how it's going to go down? But given how production has been doing this whole season, it's probably going to be a flop. Like, this twist is a flop because a big move was not made. And the other twists this season have all been flops. So we'll see. Anyhow, drop into the comments and let me know what you think. Like and subscribe.